Are you trying to be snatched in 5 minutes and look good in that clothing? Get rid of that fupa, then please stay to the end of this video because I got you.
What's up, guys? How you doing today? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to have a more cinched waist using a waist trainer and shapewear. But before we get into that, I also want to make some sort of comparison from my experience with the shapewear as well as a waist trainer, and kind of do some pros and cons of both. Speaking of, let's first of all start with which one gives a slimmer effect for me, and I'm going to be trying both of them on camera, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so first let's begin with the waist trainer. I'm going to be trying on a waist trainer underneath my dress. So for now, I'm going to come closer. I have no waist trainer on. This is just me with my underwear right now. So this is what it looks like. So this is the real me, right? With just, you know, undies on. Yeah, so I'm going to be trying on your waist trainer first, and then we're going to be seeing the effects that it gives, the slimming effects that it gives when you put on a dress, and we'll get into all of that. So just give me 1 second. This is with the shapewear on. I have tried the shapewear and I want to know what your thoughts are. So I'm just going to be doing like a 360 so you can see the difference. And I'm not sucking in, you know, or engaging my core. Just so you have an idea, and then I'm going to be standing and giving you guys straight so you see what it does. As far as cinching, of course, I can see that it definitely flattens it out, doesn't give you the fupa, the natural fupa, okay, or the lower belly fat. So this is what it looks like. So in terms of comfort, this is definitely very comforting. In terms of, you know, gripping me down, I don't feel like, you know, because I have waist train before, so I don't think it's giving me the cinched effect, but it's definitely, you know, not like how flabby my belly width is. So it's definitely holding everything together. It's giving what it's supposed to give. You feel me? It's giving what it's supposed to give. It's not, you know, it's not leaving me flabby or anything, especially if you have a diastasis recta. It's definitely putting everything together, right? So also let me know if you want me to do like a shapewear review in terms of skims, Spanx, and shaper mints and all the likes, and then I'll definitely drop that video. So for the shapewear, it's definitely giving you that seamless effect. There's no bulge with this, especially there's no bulge. It's, you know, it smoothens everything out, especially on a dress. It just makes you look like it's natural. So I love that for the shapewear. So the only thing that I don't like about the shapewear is that after a long wear, let's say you wear for a couple of hours, you're sweating, I feel like it loosens out, right? Kind of like elastic when you draw like a rubber band and then it starts to lose, you know, the elasticity. So I feel like that's the only con for me with the shapewear. Definitely losing out the elasticity over wear. But I haven't tried, you know, like the high-end brands as to compare. But with this one, I just got this, you know, from like, this is just the lower end brand. So I definitely know that that's what I definitely experienced after a long wear, moving all around, maybe for over like 8 hours. It definitely loses its elasticity. It loses its elasticity, yeah. That was a tongue twister, but yes, so that's about it. I'm going to be trying on the waist trainer and then we'll see and compare the both. So guys, I have tried on the waist trainer. So this is what it looks like with the waist trainer. I just want to give you like a 360. So obviously speaking, in terms of comfort, this has a low level of comfort. You can tell, you know, you're holding yourself together. One thing I don't like about the waist trainer is the fact that for we the top heavy ladies, it makes you feel more top heavy. Like it gives you like bustier effects, okay, which I'm not always pleased with. And then there's a bit of a bulge, like a lower bulge. I feel like when I sit, it's going to bulge out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but when you sit, it's definitely going to give you that lower bulge that you might not experience with a shapewear. But in terms of your waistline, I can tell that my waistline is obviously more cinched than with, you know, how it would look with the shapewear. I'm going to be putting the side by side just so we can compare what both looks like, right? So definitely the advantage of, for me, the pro would be that, you know, it definitely gives you a waistline, a more cinched effect. Obviously it's a waist trainer, but it has this bulge that I feel is going to come out when you sit down. And in terms of, you know, high level of comfort, in terms of comfortability, it has a low level of comfort that I feel like you might not be able to sustain for a number of hours. With that being said, this is what it looks like for a waist trainer. So if you're the girls that are like, you know, I don't care, I just want to look snatched, a waist trainer is your go-to and what you should depend on. The trick to how you can, one thing I've heard ladies talk about is this bulge, you know, the welts on the waist trainer that gives you that line. Those bone steals, some people feel like it pops out when they wear, you know, very, especially lighter colors. I feel like the dark color black is not giving it out right now, but when you wear other colors, people can tell that you're waist training. So I'll let you guys know what I do. So what I do is I do try on the shapewear over the waist trainer, so that even makes it look smoother. So if people are like, it looks seamless, so people are not sure, is she wearing a waist trainer? Is that how her waist is it just the shapewear? So I'm going to try it on and you guys will see what I mean. But yeah, so that is the tip on how you can also look slimmer with a shapewear as well as a waist trainer and make it look seamless. And so guys, now I've tried on the shapewear over the waist trainer. So as you can see, it smoothens out all the hooks of the waist trainer and it gives like a more realistic look, if you ask me. So this is what I typically would, if I'm wearing a dress and I just want to, you know, have like a more cinched waist. So I put on a waist trainer first and then I put on the shapewear over the waist trainer to smoothen everything out and give it that more snatched effect. So let me know what you think. There you have it. Let me know what your thoughts are if you're going to be trying this out, and just if you overall enjoyed the video, don't forget to thumbs up, share, subscribe to the channel. It's good vibes up in here. We're getting you snatched, we're making you look good while, you know, having the body that you are, being a work in progress. So it's weight loss, fashion, and all the good vibes up in here. So please, I urge you to subscribe, or at least consider subscribing. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.